Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Dodge Durango.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, and more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.